Summer is here, and with it comes school holidays, high temperatures and some extreme weather conditions. In areas with hot, dry summers, water early in the morning. Avoid wetting the foliage, focusing watering around the root zone. Wet foliage can lead to sunburn and fungal infections. Stay on top of weeds too. They compete with your plants for water and nutrients. Most cool climate fruit trees will come into full production this month, and there is nothing nicer than picking fruit straight from your tree. But when it all ripens at once, you have to have a plan to deal with the abundance. I like to preserve some in jars like this, also make jams. You can use them fresh in summer salads and also dehydrate them as fruit snacks. Give tomatoes an application of potash and continue fortnightly applications of seaweed solution. Don't allow them to dry out, as this can cause blossom end rot. It's a fine balance, but consistent soil moisture will help to keep plants healthy and disease-free. Harvest crops regularly to enjoy your produce at its peak. At this time of year, vegetables can mature very quickly, going from the ideal conditions to maybe a bit stringy and a bit bland. So by picking regularly, you'll get to enjoy them at the best time, and after all that effort you've gone to from sowing them from seed, it makes it well worth the effort. Keep sowing crops of lettuce, but avoid full sun positions at this time of year. Instead, look for an area with part shade. This is the ideal spot for your basil too. By grouping thirsty plants together, it'll also make watering much more efficient, focusing this precious resource where it's needed most. If you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for more details.